Discover Sol Lingo, a journey through language and culture. In a world where languages shape our identities and open doors to new opportunities, finding a language you truly connect with can be a profound experience. For me, languages have always been more than just tools of communication. They represent personal history, cultural resilience, and the pursuit of new beginnings. This journey led me to create Sol Lingo, an application designed to bridge gaps and celebrate the beauty of language learning. A deep connection to language. Language is more than just a series of words. It's a reflection of our personal stories and experiences. As someone who speaks Turkish, Kurdish, English, and Portuguese, I've had a unique perspective on how languages influence our lives. Kurdish is my native language, a part of my identity that was suppressed but never forgotten. Turkish, on the other hand, was the language of my environment, a constant presence in my life that shaped my daily interactions. English was a beacon of hope and opportunity, offering a new perspective and helping me break free from the constraints of my initial environment. Portuguese, though it didn't start with a personal connection, became a significant part of my journey as I dedicated myself to learning it. Sol Lingo, a solution born from experience. Through my experiences with these languages, I realized the need for a practical, effective, and meaningful approach to language learning. This realization led to the creation of Sol Lingo, an application designed to make learning Portuguese engaging and accessible for Turkish and English speakers. What Sol Lingo offers. Sol Lingo is not just another language learning app. It's a comprehensive tool that addresses common challenges faced by language learners. Here's what sets Sol Lingo apart. Extensive vocabulary. With around 4,000 useful words, Sol Lingo provides a rich repository of vocabulary to help learners build a strong foundation in Portuguese. Audio support. Every word comes with clear audio pronunciations, ensuring that learners can hear and practice correct pronunciations from native speakers. Practical practice. The app offers various practice exercises and quizzes to reinforce learning and help users apply their knowledge in real-life contexts. Comprehensive coverage. Sol Lingo includes all tenses and conjugations, giving users a thorough understanding of Portuguese grammar and structure. The development of Sol Lingo reflects my commitment to practical and meaningful language learning. I wanted to create an application that goes beyond the basics and offers real value to learners. Sol Lingo is designed to make the process of learning Portuguese both effective and enjoyable, helping users connect with the language in a way that is relevant to their own lives and experiences. Ready to embark on your Portuguese language journey? Download Sol Lingo today and start exploring the rich world of Portuguese vocabulary and grammar. Transform your language learning experience with a tool designed for real-life use and practical results. Download Sol Lingo